Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Uba Prestone tensong badairu Vice President Jong ka NPP ula ong baka jingkeno Jong ka Aitc baka NPP ka persyang bantan ki MLA Jong ka kidai ki jingkeno iba klem nong rem henry ha ka jing si shaw lo ong baka dai ka Aitc ka bawan Khroh ki MLA Jong ka NPP bat kilapha briuru bonsen banyak kendo ki MLA ka NPP habakali laki don ki MLA na ki weipat kisang ki banwan so bat ka NPP ula ong pamenta ke NPP ka don ar pulai ngot ki MLA bat ka thong jong ka long banyo lai pusaw ne lai pusan ngot ki MLA habakali lor ka jing sapriang khubor ba ka MLA jong ka East Shillong constituency ka kong amprin lingdo kan wani so no sha ka NPP ba Prestone lo ong ba don jing tep ya kata.
The agenda of Aitc is one, and that one is what they even sending fillers to every MLA of the coalition. Okay, that why not you come and join us? It's like that. But from our side, we don't need, and we don't also. But from the Aitc, and they keep doing that every day. Every day, our colleague MLAs from within the MDA, not necessarily for me, but yes, for other MLAs, they keep approaching. They keep approaching. Obviously, they are the one who does the poaching. The total strength of NPP MLAs is 23. No, I don't know. As I said, I don't know. But we are fighting now to get more than 34-35.